Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is the 7-day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 29th of December. Okay, I'm going to pull 7 cards for each day, and you can take it as messages or guidance or simple plain warnings, or you can say challenges or obstacles that you might face in this week. And if you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono, you can start with my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly, or you can mail us. Let's start, Libra. I'm feeling a little down today, so I'm going to do the readings without any kind of distractions. Down in the sense, I feel lack of sleep is there. That's why. 23rd, we have the outsider. So, Libra, you might be feeling like left out in the cold, or you might be feeling like people around you are not able to connect with you, or you are not able to connect with them the way you used to at some point of time. It's not like that. It's just energies are shifting. So, you can definitely open the gate. The lock is open actually. You can open the gate and you can also go out and have fun and mingle up, right? It's just your perception. 24th, we have the sorrow. So again, you might be on some kind of path, challenging path, and you feel that the more you are going to sacrifice few things in your life, the more you are going to get good results. It's not like that. It's a clear cut indication that you can be connected with people, you can have fun, you can have good energies around you, good vibes around you. Then also you can achieve things in life. You don't have to isolate yourself forcibly from things, people, or situations that you actually feel like you should have in your life. Don't do that. Okay, honey. 25th, we have the going with the flow. So finally on the 25th of December, you're going to feel that your resistance is kind of stopping you from getting to the point where you want to go. So going with the flow is highly recommended, instead of trying to fix something or someone that you are not able to do. So basically trying to let go of the control, huh? Especially where we feel like, okay, we can control each and everything in our life. It's not possible, right? So surrender and go with the flow. 26, we have the projections. So you might have a different idea or version of people or situations or things, and you might not be able to see their true version, or you might not be able to accept the reality, accept the situation for what it is. But you have some kind of illusion and delusions regarding people and situations. So you should definitely see people, things, and situations for what they are and who they are, instead of having the projections that this might be their true nature, or this might be this, or this might be that. No, don't do that. 27th, we have the new vision. So on the 27th of December, something in you is going to shift big time. You are going to wake up all energized. You are going to have new vision, and or if you are not able to have a new vision from quite a long time now you have to see things differently. Now a different perception, a different angle from your side is highly required in order to move forward in your life, right? So new vision is required. Yeah. 28th, we have 23, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, the creator. So on the 28th of December, you are going to feel that you have a lot of strength and courage to do certain things in your life, because your solar plexus chakra is going to be kind of balanced or strengthened up, and the universe is going to give you signals and guidance to how to walk on this path. And you're definitely going to feel energized and courageous enough to do certain things in your life that you were not able to do in the past. Very good. 29th, we have the success. So you are going to have success in some area of your life, and you are going to enjoy the success, and you should definitely celebrate your success with full force. But at the same time, stay grounded, stay humble, and do not forget that everything is temporary. Yeah, everything on this planet earth is temporary, Libra, even your success and or your failures as well. So stay grounded, enjoy your success to the fullest, party and have fun, but at the same time stay grounded, stay humble, and understand that success is just a temporary thing, and so is failure. That is the message here for you guys. Moving on to Scorpio, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.